What's up guys, Adrian Amrel with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, we're going to be comparing headsets and this microphone. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments which one does the best job at eliminating background noise. So I know that I've been gone for a while, but I've been working on digital marketing. I've mastered everything to do with digital marketing. So if your business needs help, reach out to me on Instagram at Adrian Amrel, at 911 Gadgets, or at Digital Clics Marketing. I know how to run ads, how to set up AIs. I know how to do the CRM, leads, anything you can think of, we can do it. So hope to hear from you if you need the help. In this video, we have a series of microphones or headsets, one of them being the Shure. So by now my AC is on, okay? So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or not. It wasn't on when we just started the video, but I'm just gonna leave that. Here we have, obviously the first mic is this one here, which is the Shure MV7 Plus, okay? This is about a $280 microphone and it's a USB-C mic, okay? Now we're going to go and show you guys the other ones. We're going to rank them from, lowest to highest based on reviews and price. So these are probably about 130. I'm not 100% guys. I didn't buy them full price, so don't quote me on the exact price. I'm just telling you they should be lower price to highest price, okay? So these are the Logitech Zone 750, okay? You can't really twist it, okay, it's all right, but I've used these, okay? So these are pretty comfortable. Yeah, I mean, so far I haven't had any complaints by clients or anything like that. So you can mute it from here and whatnot, control it, the volume. They all, most of them have this, okay? I know that you can flip this up and down. You can change the settings. There's an app for Logitech where you can change the settings in here to make it work to mute or not, but we're not going to get into that. The point of this video is for testing how well they block out the background noise, okay? That's the Logitech 750, Zone 750, okay? The next ones up are these are by Plantronics. The brand is Plantronics and the model is Poly Blackwire BW8225. Same thing, you can go like this, all right? And these, they do twist. And no, you cannot unplug this, but it comes with another, similar controller here. Okay. It has a little button here. Again, I'm not reviewing these for everything. ANC off, anti-noise cancellation off, mid and high. We'll leave it at high, okay? This one doesn't have anything like that. All right. So these are the Plantronics Poly Blackwire BW8225. Let's move on to these. These are Jabra. They're Engage 50. The Jabra Engage 50 version 2. It has a 2 on there, okay? These have a little light. You can also go like this. These feel a lot more lightweight, okay? And they're ranked at the higher one. They're ranked a little more expensive and supposedly by reviews that they do a better job. So we're gonna find that out. Okay, these are way lighter. Okay, so these might be easier on your head. I do know, I read that this lights up when you get a phone call and there's an audible notification that comes out also. If you're not by your desk, you can just leave them there and you can hear something when you get a phone call coming in. So that's pretty neat. This one has a bigger controller. I'll show it to you guys. Here it is. All right. This thing is huge compared to these other ones. All right. Way bigger, has a little knob here. I guess it's for volume. Yeah, that's for volume. Okay, cool. So let's go on to our test. We'll start with we'll start with this one here. This is the Shure MV7 Plus. I've got the AC going over here. You can hear it. Let me see if I can bring it closer so you guys can just hear it closer. And there's my chair too. It makes a squeaking noise. There's the microphone right there. With the AC. Okay, that's what it's supposed to sound like. The AC. So, right, I am also going to play this video real quick. Okay. That's the video that started it all. Okay. So let's play it. Tools that we have here. Just going to put it on my counter here on my little on my desk. Special screen here. I don't know if I should make it big. Yeah, I'll make it big. These bags are just I bought some iPhone cases. All right, so you got the AC and the video playing in the background. And we're gonna do a quick snap test. This is from like 6 inches away. So we're talking and see if it blocks out the noise or not. And we're gonna go a little bit arm's reach and see if it blocks it off. Okay, so we're talking here. So that's the MV7 Plus by Shure. All right, on to the next. All right, the video is still playing there. We are now on the Logitech Zone 750, and you got the AC going. We got the phone going. Okay, we're gonna do a quick snap. Sneeze. I wish I could sneeze for every headset. That's a 6-inch distance. And then we're gonna do arms reach snap. All right, there we go. So this is the Logitech Zone 750. Next. All right, this one, like we saw, it has the ANC, active noise canceling or cancellation. It's a lot quieter for me. Okay, like if I take this off right now, I can't really hear the AC that much. Okay, so when it comes to that, it is quieter for me. I'm not a fan of the anti-noise cancellation. I'm more worried about what the other person on the other side of the screen can hear, just for out of respect, right? And out of like to make sure that they're comfortable talking to me, because all this background noise kind of sucks. So let me know if you can hear the AC and the video. Okay, now we're gonna snap 6 inches. All right, and we're gonna do the arm reach and see if you can hear it while I talk. Okay, I'm talking, I'm snapping, I'm snapping. All right, I'm getting tired of snapping, so I gotta save the energy for the last ones, okay? So that was the Plantronics Poly Blackwire BW8225. All right? But, these are always good to have. All right. I don't really use this. A lot of people use it. Now we're going to the Jabra Engage 52, right? Has a 50 and 2. So here I am again now talking. This one again doesn't have that active noise cancellation. Let me see if the remote has anything on that. It might, but again, I'm not a big fan of that. It does have a couple of buttons here. Let's see. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, that's mute. Let's see what this other button does. If you guys can see these buttons on the bottom right corner there. So this puts it on mute. Hello, hello, hello. I don't know what it does actually, because I still see audio coming. So let's see here. That's with the green. This is with the red on this right button, left button. Hello, 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 hello. Nothing, nothing. Oh, the mute button's up here. Hello, hello, hello. That's the mute button up here, okay? Other than that, we just have to see the video is playing, the AC is on. All right, now we're going to do the 6-inch test. Okay. All right, now we do the arms reach test. And then we talk. Hello, hello. Hey, so this is Adrian Amrel with 911 Gadgets. Today's video, we're just testing these headsets, and we're going to send the best one to our developers because they work very hard, and they talk to clients and they need the best of the best. Okay, so here we go. That concludes the test. Let's go back to our Shure MV7 Plus mic. All right, guys. Let me know which one sounds better in the comments. And thank you guys for being a follower, a subscriber. Go follow us on Instagram, 911 Gadgets. We also have the Digital Clics Marketing Instagram. Go follow us there. And very excited to post another video for all of you. Thank you guys for being part of 911 Gadgets for a very long time. We'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.